In this video, I'm going to show you how to self-publish a book for free using this website. I'm also going to show you a sneak preview of the latest book that I just recently self-published. Well, my name is Brianna, and I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we share books and tools for parents and educators of young children. But in this video, you might be stopping by as an aspiring author, or maybe you're already an author. So let me know in the chat below, are you an author? Do you plan to write children's books? If not, let me know what book you plan to write or have already written. So I'm going to kick off this video with unboxing the first book that I just published recently, and then this was the first book that I published ever. So the first one is my first ABC transportation book. I have a whole video of all the insides, and then this is the second one, Whoosh, it's the weather book. So I'm gonna tell you the website, but I want to first show you what the book looks like, the quality of it, and then I'm gonna share with you the website coming to you right now. Let's take a look. So this is a paperback book of Whoosh, it's the weather book for young children. We have my name here and the logo to the Brown Bear Book Club. This is paperback with a glossy cover. And on the inside, you will notice that this is made with premium color paper. And then all the copyright is there, as well as our key scripture. And very vibrant colors, everything printed just the way I imagine, and even better actually. So once again, it's made with premium color and everything printed, no bleeding. And yeah, you can check it out with the links below. You can also self-publish journals using the website that I'm going to talk about next. And if you've been liking this content so far, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. So, what website did I use to publish not just one, but two books and begin the journey of self-publishing? This website is called KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. I will leave the link below, as well as links to these books if you're interested, if you have a child or someone that you know who's learning their alphabet but maybe enjoy transportation, or if you are teaching about the weather and you want to add it to your science center, or if you just want to add it to your everyday life and start teaching children early science concepts. So I'll make sure I link all of those below. And really quickly, my first ABC transportation book, I wrote it inspired by my children. My oldest son loves cars. He sleeps and breathes cars, and it's very special to me, this first book. And like I said, there's a video all about it. And Whoosh is the weather book for young children. This book really was inspired by the YouTube channel, honestly. One of the concepts that I have on the channel is the weather. What's the weather like today? And I'm like, my husband was like, you should write a book about it, especially since everyone seems to enjoy it. So that you guys helped me with inspiration of this book. But let me know in the chat below, what book idea do you have? And have you already written it? What stage of your writing are you in? And before I forget, I want to let you know that we do have a giveaway going on August 31st, and it's for We're Going on a Leaf Hunt. So make sure that you stay tuned to this channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you again another time. See you again, guys. Bye.